This is the Seint Artist Opportunity. At Seint, we believe helping others look beautiful is nice, but helping them believe they are beautiful is life-changing. Our CEO, Kara Brooke, gave up offers to merge her products with many major brands so that you could have this opportunity. As a Seint artist, you are not required to carry inventory, ship any of the products, or even have makeup experience. There is also no need to maintain a sales minimum to keep your account open and collect your monthly commissions. You will make 20 to 40% of your personal sales, 5 paychecks per month, earn free product via your own referral link, plus write the whole business kit off. Make an additional 2 to 24% on having a team of your own. It's time to be your own boss. How do you enroll? Contact the artist that sent you this video. Pick from one of our business kit options. The basic kit in the US is $199. Canada is $279. The Pro kit in the US is $399. Canada is not yet available. To maintain your artist account, simply pay your back office fee. We work hard at Seint, but we play harder. There are many paid opportunities for incentive and leadership trips each year. Why not you? Talk to your artist today. The time is now.